How to add payment method on Uber. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add a payment method on Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a payment method on Uber, all we have to do is go ahead and launch the Uber application, and you will see this type of interface where you have to tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the screen, then simply go to the option called payment, as you'd be able to see. When you go to the payment option, if you want to add a payment method, you'd find an option there that says add payment method. Tap on the add payment method option, and here you can simply go ahead and then select your gift card. Then all you have to do here is to simply make sure to enter your gift card code. Once you enter your gift card code, you can tap on the save option here in order to save the changes, or you can also choose to add a credit or debit card by entering your card number, expiration date, the CVV, the country, and your nickname, which is optional, and tap on the next option. And this way you'll be able to add your payment method on Uber. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.